Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining in. And as you're aware that at GC TechNet we experiment, experience and are passionate about sharing our experiences with everyone. Today we are going to share some of our PowerShell one-liners and small scripts which are in daily use or in regular use for every system admin. So there will be almost 20 plus PowerShell scripts and one-liners which will definitely help you in your day-to-day tasks or day-to-day activities. So let's see what we are going to share. Let's say get a user's Active Directory group membership. Say PowerShell script to get all the users from a specific Active Directory group. Then get all the domain controllers in the domain. Show users who are enabled and have a password set to never expire. Very important script. And PowerShell script to get all the active users who have not logged on in last 90 days. So these are some of the examples. There will be 20 plus such scripts and one-liners. So let's jump into the labs and we'll we'll run some scripts and some one-liners and see the results. Welcome to the labs, and we have logged on to our London DC and we will be running some scripts on this London DC, and the output will be stored in the folder name output on the C drive. And these are some of the scripts that we will be executing. The first and foremost script is to increase the font size of our PowerShell ISE. So currently by default it is 10. Let me just increase it to 14. Okay, it's asking me to save it. Okay, perfect. Now the font size is quite okay. We can read the contents. Now all these scripts are shared in our toolkit. Now the first script or one-liner is to find out all the Windows servers in our infrastructure and save the output in a CSV file named adservers.csv. So I'll not go into the nitty-gritties of this one-liner, but this is not a PowerShell class. So let me just run the script, and everything is stored over here. So now the thing is we don't have MS Excel on this domain controller. So we do have MS Excel over here on this Windows 11 workstation, and we have shared this output folder. So the output folder over here is shared and we can access it from here. So let us open up this AD servers CSV file and see the content over here. Let me just delete the first part and let me just go ahead and maximize all the columns. Now you can see the entire information is pulled. So now as this is a test environment, we just have one server, but in the real environment there will be thousands and thousands of servers over here. So it will show you distinguished name, DNS name, is it enabled or not, the IP, the name, computer object GUID, operating system, etc. So I hope you have understood the script. I'm not saving this file, and for the just time purpose I'm just leaving this file as it is. Now the next script is, now sometimes what happens is a vendor or a user account gets expired. Okay, we have an expiry date for a vendor's account, so we need to extend it. for some time, giving a particular date. So what we do, we generally log on to our we open up Active Directory and we just browse through the user or find the user and extend it. Instead, what we can do is we can use a PowerShell script to extend the user account. So first we will see the properties of Alex and we'll see the current, say, status of the account. So let me find the username Alex. I think it's not here. Let me find it in the entire domain. So we have over here Alex. Let me right click, go to properties, accounts, and we can see over here that the account is already expired on the March 31st. So let us extend this account by, say, December 31st. Just cancel out of this one. So in this script, we have just given the expiration date is December 31st. We can give any date. So just let me run this script. And again, it has say that account expiration date set for the user Alex to this one. So let us check Alex again. Right click, properties, account. Okay, now it's changed to December 30th. Means by December 30th, 12 a.m. So this is how we can use PowerShell to, say, change or extend the expiry date of an account. Now one more script, very handy script, which is used to which will pull all the domain controllers in our domain. So let me run the script right away. So right now we just have one domain controller, London DC, and that's it. But in the real world, you will find all the domain controllers. A very important script to find all the, say, a user's group membership. Means a user is a member of how many groups. So again, we'll take an example of Adam. We'll see Adam is a member of, say, how many groups, and the output will be over here, Adam groups.txt in our output folder. So let me run the script. Okay, the script went successful. So here we have Adam groups.txt. Okay, now Adam is the member of London local admins workstations, London printers access, and shared drive IT admins. So these are the three groups Adam is a member of. So this is a very handy script. Say, next script is inactive users. Very important script. We must know there are how many inactive users, okay, in our Active Directory who has not logged on since last 90 days. The users are, say, not disabled. They are active, but they have not logged on in Active Directory since last 90 days. You can change the threshold from 90 days to 60 days, 30 days, 20 days, whatever. And the output will be over here in the inactive users.csv file. So let me run the script. Okay. So this script went successful. Let us open up this inactive users.csv from our workstation now. Okay, so we have so many users who are inactive. They have not logged on since last 90 days, and this is again a security issue. Okay, so the users must, why these users are still active, they are not disabled and they have not logged on. since last 90 days. Next script is again very important script. We need to find out all the users whose password is never expire. Now in any enterprise we have a lot of service accounts whose passwords are set to be never expire. So as an admin we must have a database of all the users, or it can be service accounts or users whose passwords are never expire. So the output would be over here, output password never expire .csv. Perfect. So let me go to the workstation again. Password never expires. So we have so many users whose passwords are never expire. Administrator, say Linux admin, Benjamin, Jude, enterprise admin, Phil, and say administrator, enterprise. So these are the users whose passwords are set to never expire. Again, it's a worry. Okay, the security will ask why these are there. So we have to give a business justification for that. Now the last script is, now many a times users say account gets locked out because they forgot the password. So what we do, we generally go to Active Directory, find the user, right click, reset the password, type in the new password, and then give the password to the user, and then the user is able to log in. So instead of doing all these things, why can't we run a script over here? Why can't we run a simple script? So what we'll do, we'll just change the password for the username Gracie and set it to password. This is the password, capital P @SSW0RD, and we'll force Gracie to change the password at next logon. Okay, change password at logon is equal to true. So we'll force her to change the password. So just let me run the script. So password reset for the user Gracie with the new password. This is done. So let us log on from here using Gracie's account now. Let me simply sign out from here. So we have to test if this script is working or not. Other user Gracie. So I'm putting in this password, capital P @SSW0RD. Perfect. So the user must change the password before signing in. So it's asking us to change the password now. So I'm just giving a password over here. Okay, it does not meet the requirement. So this is the old password, and the new password. Okay, again it's not complex password. Let me put in the password again. Now it will take it. The password has been changed now for Gracie Hawkins. So these are some of the scripts, and you will find 20 plus scripts in the PowerShell toolkit. And if you want more scripts, more say bigger scripts, please do comment and we will try to upload those scripts in the Google Drive. So hope you have enjoyed the labs. So PowerShell should be the tool of choice for any infrastructure admin, as PowerShell touches all Microsoft products. It touches VMware, network, storage, Citrix, all the cloud platforms. And now most of the third-party application vendors are bringing in their own PowerShell module to manage their applications. So PowerShell is the tool of choice for every Windows admin, as it touches everything, all the other products as well, not only just the Microsoft products. So hope you have enjoyed today's session. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to download the PowerShell Toolkit, and request you to just drop in a comment on the toolkit. If you want some other scripts, please do let us know. We will write those scripts for you and upload it on the Google Drive. Thanks again for your time and your patience, and enjoy your day.